So guys, so there are a lot of things that is happening. I had been partying like since like 2-3 days. It's about like the birthday week, so partying. But today is more like I go to Plovdiv, which is a city in Bulgaria, which is like really beautiful city of mountains. You will love it. The roads, the way you drive, you see everything. And then my friends has to buy a house in a village which is near Plovdiv. So I joined them, go to the notary and everything, but the shit didn't happen due to some bureaucracy in Bulgaria. So we are just staying in this home village, and it's so beautiful. You can see it's on the mountain. It's really beautiful. You can see the deers roaming around. It seems to be like heaven. It's a really great experience. And what should I talk, like, it's amazing. So it's not like I've been like a beach for 2-3 days before. Now I'm on the mountain, so it's a different experience. I'm trying like their traditional food, which is really cool. You must try the traditional food of Bulgaria. It's so tasty. It's damn tasty. I'm betting you. It's really, you feel like really good. And the thing I realized about Bulgaria is like not so expensive here. It's like compared to Germany or Munich, it's not so expensive, really. So I would rather suggest, like, if you're planning to Bulgaria, plan for like at least like 2-3 weeks or a month. For me, it's like it was easy because I'm staying at my friend's apartment, and they're helping me to go around through the cities and everything. So yeah, but I would say still it's way more cheaper compared to any other city. So I would suggest, like, come to Bulgaria and enjoy a bit. So now I'm going to like city center of this village and seeing what will happen now. So finally, after doing too much of party, I came to the very peaceful place here. It's a small village in Bulgaria, near Plovdiv. Like I would say 1 more hour, like 30-40 kilometers. You have to travel between the mountain roads, and so amazing experience. It's so peaceful. Only like 1,000 people live in this village. So it's like a close community that here people are living, and they are so know everyone. They know everyone, each other, because it's so small, and it's quite interesting that people behave. Let's see, meet some locals and find it out. This is like houses in Bulgaria look like on the mountains. You see these mountains. It's very amazing. So right now, like, this house is my friend's, which is like going to buy in Bulgaria. So he already have an apartment on the beach side. Now he wants one apartment on the mountain side, so he get like both the vibes and the vacation thing. And the house is like pretty old, but from inside, if you go, it's pretty interesting. So they have like already some beds, heaters, cupboards, and everything is like it's full furnished. भाई पहाड़ों की बारिश. The rain in the mountain is the best feeling. It's the best feeling. You see. I love it. I love it. I think so now the plan will cancel everything because it's raining on the mountains. We cannot go hiking and everything. But let's see, tomorrow morning I'm here like for around like 7-8 days. So probably be exploring more and more and more. So let's see how it goes. I think so till now it's like best. It's like a best one. But it seems to be like a cool place. 3 years you're on the beach, 3 years you're on the mountains. So yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow. How do you guys feel hiking?
I think great.
You feel great?
Yeah.